Hey everybody, Levi here, and in this video, I'm going to explain how you can rank AI content on Google using NLP or natural language processing. Using these tips help transformed all of my AI generated content that I've written on Google from being completely unranked to landing on the top page of Google. And the way I was able to do this was by writing content in an NLP friendly format, which is a structure that aligns really well with Google's current algorithm. So anyways, in this video, I'm going to explain what NLP is, or natural language processing, and how to use an NLP-friendly prompt to rank AI content on Google. So this will be a great video for everyone trying to write new content for their sites and use AI to accelerate that process. So let's get into it. The first thing I want to explain here is what is NLP. So again, NLP, or natural language processing, is a branch of AI that helps computers understand text the way humans can. So the purpose that this plays in Google's algorithm is understanding user intent. And this allows Google to differentiate between different meanings of the same word. For example, bass guitar versus bass fishing. Bass and bass are spelled the same way. We know that there's a difference between the two, a bass guitar versus bass fishing, but Google might not know until rather they use NLP. The benefit here is it helps Google understand new queries. Google processes 15% of daily search queries as brand new, things they've never seen before, and they need to know what to do with those searches. And as a result, NLP has a really big ranking influence. Google uses NLP techniques to assess content quality and determine if humans will enjoy it. So the big takeaway here is that if the NLP algorithm struggles to understand your content, Google won't want to rank it well. So it's really obvious that NLP-friendly content is going to rank better. Now that you know what NLP is, it's important to figure out what NLP-friendly content is. And in short, it's content that is written with the following things. First, clear sentence structure, subject, verb, object, going back to kind of early English classes. The second is straightforward, unambiguous language. And the third is the avoidance of complex or filler phrases. So there might be a little bit to take in, so I have a few examples that'll help really explain this. The first is an NLP-friendly example. And that would be saying cooling pads are effective for reducing laptop overheating. An NLP unfriendly way to say the same thing is to stop laptops from getting too hot, use cooling pads. Now, what's the difference between the two? The friendly version that I explained first follows a logical subject, verb, modifier order, which makes it easier for algorithms to process. Now, another example to just make sure it's really obvious is the following. So here's the NLP friendly version. Banana bread can be made healthier by substituting sugar with applesauce. The NLP unfriendly version of the same sentence is make banana bread less unhealthy by using something else instead of sugar, like applesauce maybe. This unfriendly version introduces a lot of complexity with double negatives and vague terms. So when you're writing content, you want to answer queries with NLP-friendly sentences. Queries are what people are typing in. Make sure you have NLP-friendly sentences in your content which serve as an answer. So for example, a question someone might type into Google is, what is the best temperature to brew beer? An NLP-friendly answer would be, the best temperature to brew beer is 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, why is this NLP-friendly? This structure repeats the query, provides a clear answer, and includes units for precision. Now, the difference between NLP friendliness and NLP optimization is an important one to differentiate. NLP friendliness focuses on clarity and ensures the algorithm understands content, whereas NLP optimization involves using keywords, entities, and phrases that appear in top ranking articles. Now, putting this together, I want to test some NLP-friendly content. I did test it, and I'll share the findings with you. And looked at a bunch of research, and in short, single variable tests can be conducted to compare NLP-friendly versus unfriendly articles. So an example keyword I used is, does Taylor Swift love Katamari Damacy? The NLP-friendly article rose from 48 to 35, and in the same time, the unfriendly article dropped from 43 to 46. And in case you didn't know this would happen, the NLP-friendly content performs much better in rankings, as you can see above. Now, how can you actually use this to create NLP-friendly content? This is a big part of the video, and this is kind of the big win, and it's the NLP prompt you can use within ChatGPT or your favorite AI tool. And something you could say is the following. Create content here, I'll highlight it here, this part. Create content strictly adhering to an NLP-friendly format, emphasizing clarity and simplicity in structure and language. Use straightforward subject, verb, object order. Select precise words and avoid ambiguity. Exclude filler content and focus on delivering distinct information. You put that into ChatGPT, it will say okay, and then you ask for what you want. At the same time, you can balance for engagement. Combine 60% NLP friendliness with 40% reader engagement to create content that both ranks well and will appeal to your human readers, your potential customers. So, what's a practical example? After putting in that prompt, I could follow up with the prompt and say, create 100 words of content on what is HTML. The thing it spits out is HTML, or hypertext markup language, is a core language for creating web pages. It structures web content through markup using tags to define elements like heading, paragraphs, links, and lists. When we read that, provided you know what this means and this isn't going over your head, it's a very clear structure, concise, and ready for publication. So anyways, that prompt has transformed my content, and I hope it does the same for you. So anyways, wrapping up, here are a few big takeaways for writing NLP-friendly content. First, use clear and simple sentence structures. Second, avoid complex or ambiguous or filler language. Third, balance technical clarity with human engagement for better results. And lastly, test and refine your content using single variable tests. If you find this kind of content helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for the next video. Thanks everyone for watching.